Hello little friends, today we will learn color name and alphabet. Sky blue color, yellow color, peach pink color, orange color, light green color, purple color, grey color, pink color, dark green color, white color, red color, blue color, brown color, black color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Purple color. A for apple. A for apple. Light green color. B. B for bus. B for bus. Red color. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. Orange color. D. D for dog. D for dog. Black color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Peach pink color. F. F for fish. F for fish. Yellow color. G. G for girl. G for girl. Sky blue color. H. H for horse. H for horse. Purple color. I. I for ink. I for ink. Light green color. J. J for juice. J for juice. Red color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Orange color. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. Black color. M. M for moon. M for moon. Peach pink color. N. N for nose. N for nose. Yellow color. O. O for oil. O for oil. Sky blue color. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Purple color. Q. Q for Queen. Q for Queen. Light green color. R. R for Rabbit. R for Rabbit. Red color. S. S for Snail. S for Snail. Orange color. T. T for Tiger. T for Tiger. Black color. U. U for Unicorn. U for Unicorn. This pink color. V. V for Face. P for Face. Yellow color. W. W for Watermelon. W for Watermelon. Sky blue color. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Purple color. Y. Y for Yo-yo. Y for Yo-yo. Light green color. Z. Z for Zebra. Z for Zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. White color, black color, peach pink color, red color, brown color, blue color, grey color, sky blue color, orange color, dark green color, yellow color, light green color, purple color, pink color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Orange color. 1. Pink color. 2. Sky blue color. 3. Purple color. 4. Light green color. 5. Blue color. 6. Brown color. 7. Red color. 8. Yellow color. 9. Dark green color. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.